Hello everyone. Welcome to Exer Polyglot channel. An easy peasy foreign language course that helps you find the shortcut to the language core. On this video, we're going to learn the uses of some and any, which is a bit confusing for most English learners in the world. Some and any are used with uncountable nouns or plural countable nouns to mean an amount of or a number of, when the amount or number is not given. Some is generally used in positive sentences. Any is generally used in negative sentences. For example, we have some information for you about foreign languages hacking methods. I don't have any information for you about their secrets. We met some people in the meeting yesterday. I never saw any students there on Friday. I will have some time to talk with you today. I don't have any time to talk with you today.
Before we jump into today's lesson, I want to make sure you know that there's more lessons coming, so be sure to subscribe and tap the bell so that you get a notification every time a new lesson is published.
Some and any are also used in a sentence without a noun if the meaning of the sentence is clear. I didn't eat anything today, but you ate some. Andy took lots of photos of the beach, but Shinta didn't take any. Questions with some and any. Generally, we use any in questions. Do you know any people lives in Indonesia? Do you have any money? But some is used in the following circumstances. Some is used for offering something. Would you like some coffee? Do you want some sugar for your coffee? Some is used for asking for something. Could I have some sugar, please? Can I have some chips with that? Some is used for suggesting something. Why don't we watch some educational videos on YouTube now? Why don't you give me some comments? Some is used to express a positive or negative opinion about somebody or something. That was some party. Some expert you are. You know even less than me.
All right, so those are a few basic points about when to use some and when to use any. Please remember, some is used for positive statements, requests, and offers. Any is used for negative statements and questions which are not requests or offers, like information questions. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let us know in the comment section below this video. Also, if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks very much for watching this episode, and I will see you again soon. Bye!